Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the Tekton website and looking at some of the bundles that they have introduced. So I did a video a little while back when they did a mechanics bundle set, and they started doing bundle deals quite a while ago, but they keep expanding on it, and it's really cool. So like with our ratchets, it's like when you bundle buy 4 or more, you get $5 off of each. When you do the screwdrivers, buy 4 or more, you get $2.50 off each. Pliers, buy 4 or more, get $3 off each. And with the rails, buy 4 or more rails or trays and get $3 off each. So it's a good savings when you bundle, and they keep expanding on it, which is really nice. And then not only that, but they've started putting together sort of like mechanics bundle sets and stuff like that, which is really cool. The other thing that's nice is they've basically, not only are you saving money, but you're able to build your own set, so you get precisely what you want when you build those sets while you're saving money at the same time. But then they've also put together bundle sets, which are also really good deals. So we'll go ahead and take a look at some of them. So we'll start with the cheapest one at $463, and that is their Roadside repair bundle set. Also keep in mind, if any of the items are sold out, they're not going to charge you the bundle price and then tell you they'll ship it later. They'll just reduce the price of that missing item, and they'll send it out to you, and then if you want later on, you can purchase that. Here is a 5-item bundle. You're going to get a 1/2-inch drive torque wrench, 1/2-inch drive socket set, a multi-bit screwdriver, their Allen key sets, ball Allens, metric, and SAE, and then you're going to get a wrench set in both metric and SAE and roll pouches. So this is going to be great for roadside assistance if you got a vehicle and you want to make sure you're good on long road trips or anything like that. It's always good to keep a small amount of tools that can get various jobs done. So this is basically everything you would need if you ever came across a bad situation, or maybe somebody else needing help on the side of the road. Here it shows what's exactly in the bundle. So I think the pricing on all of these are really good, except for the socket set. Now keep in mind that many companies in general, whatever it is, they're being hit hard, and prices are going up. We've seen it over the last 2 years, and unfortunately we're seeing that bad now. But when it comes to all the other items in this set, I think they're priced well. I think the socket set took the biggest impact at $202 for a 58-piece set. That's almost $3.50 a piece, I want to believe. That's some Milwaukee pricing there. Like, I like the design of Milwaukee tools, hand tools, but 80% of their stuff is way overpriced, especially when it comes to the socket sets. And at 58 pieces for $202, that's quite a bit. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the quality of it. I love the sockets, the 90-tooth ratchet, the breaker bar that's included. It's definitely a nice. Now, also keep in mind that it's a 1/2-inch drive socket set. So when you get up in drive sizes, the more expensive each piece is. So like if you would see a 58-piece set, 1/4-inch drive socket set, it should be around the $60 to $85 price range, roughly. And then when you go up in drive size, it's going to get a little bit more expensive per piece. But I think this is just slightly overpriced what it should be. But I think everything else in this bundle set is priced well. I do like the cases that they come in, the little organization space that you have for miscellaneous items and things like that. So you got both metric and SAE, shallow and deep, nice complete 1/2-inch drive socket set there. The 1/2-inch drive torque wrench goes from 25 foot-pounds to 250 foot-pounds. The wrench set is a 1/4-inch to 1-inch and 8mm to 22mm, not skipping a size. And then here you can see the sizes for your ball Allens and what's included with the bit driver. You have Phillips and flathead, and then you also have, when you take the bits out, you have access to use it as like a nut driver. So a nice little roadside bundle set, and priced reasonably. The second lowest one is $970, and this is going to be their inch core tool bundle set. So this is all going to be SAE when it comes to the wrenches and sockets. You're going to get a 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. You're going to get a couple different style of vice grips and styles of pliers. You have adjustable pipe pliers here and the slip joints that are going to be made in the USA, and then you got your long nose and diagonal side cutters. You have a punch and chisel set, SAE wrench set that goes from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, I believe. You have 3 different styles of hammers, your ball Allen set, a breaker bar, a pry bar, a flex head ratchet, and a screwdriver set. And then you have your 3 different sizes of SAE socket sets. So your 1/4 inch over here, all of them include a ratchet, extensions, shallow and deep well sockets. So nice complete little SAE sets. And then here you got your spark plug sockets and your reducers and adapters. Here you can see the pricing of everything included. So $52, $81, $162. Here you get the 3/8 drive, 12-inch flex head ratchet to be more specific. And yes, the wrench set is 1/4 inch to 1 inch. So a nice little variety here. Next up is going to be the same thing, but the metric core bundle set is going to be a little bit bigger set. Same screwdriver set, same ratchet, breaker bar, pry bar, ball Allens, hammers, pliers, all of that. The only difference is going to be the wrench set and the socket set. You're going to get the metric instead of the SAE, and I'll show you the pricing here as well. So I'll just slowly scroll through it so you can see the pricing of each and what you're getting included in the set. So with the SAE, you are looking at $970, the metric $1,027, roughly almost $60 more, but the socket sets are going to include quite a few more sizes. So next up is going to be the small engine repair bundle set. So you're getting 2 different sizes. So you're getting 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive socket sets, which is going to be both metric and SAE, shallow and deep. You're going to get some 1/4 inch drive extensions on top of what's included with your 1/4 inch drive socket set. You're also going to get an additional 3/8 drive extension, adapter, and reducer set. You also have 1/4 inch drive bit socket set, a 42-piece set, some E-Torques to go with that bit socket set, some stubby screwdrivers in both 1/4 inch and 3/8, a nice complete wrench set. You also have 1/4 inch and 3/8 torque wrenches, the ball Allens again, USA made nut drivers, both metric and SAE. Once again, some more pliers, vice grips, some plier organizers, the nice punch set with the walnut block. I have that. It's a very nice little set. You also have their dead blow hammers and ball peen hammers. All of these items here are made in the USA. The organizer for the pliers, the punch set, and all of the hammers, not the ball peens, but the ball peen dead blow and the dead blow. The out of stock items are going to be the spark plug sockets, the 22-piece screwdriver set, the long nose locking pliers, and the 3-piece cold punch chisel set, or cold chisel set. So definitely a nice little bundle there. Good pricing. It's reduced $167 due to those 4 items being out of stock, but definitely a nice little bundle set there, and well priced. I know some people may look at it and be like, that's a lot of money, but when you really think about it, you're getting a lot of USA made products in this, you're getting a lot of good quality products in this, and still at a good price. There are many other brands out there that are selling for way higher that aren't any better in quality, and then there's some higher quality USA made stuff out there, but you're definitely going to pay for it. If you think this is expensive, you just start looking into some of those others and you're going to see a huge difference. So I think a lot of people getting into the field are going to be extremely happy with these styles of sets and the quality of the Tekton tools. And also keep in mind, you're going to get quite a bit in rewards when buying one of these bundles. So you're going to get, around $100 to $200, especially if you buy the heavy diesel technician bundle set. That's $265 back in rewards, or $265 in rewards that you could use on another purchase. They have an aviation technician bundle set, so you're going to get your 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive socket sets, once again both metric and SAE. Then they're going to include a 1/2 inch drive 12-point socket set, a 1/4 inch drive universal joint socket set. That's a nice touch. An additional 1/2 inch drive ratchet, breaker bar, a combination wrench set in just SAE stubbies, SAE USA made angled wrenches, USA made crow's feet, 3/8 drive, SAE, a couple different torque wrenches, hard handle screwdrivers, scratch and all. And the items that are out of stock on this one are going to be the punch and chisel set and the pliers set, but you still get a lot of good items there. Once again, a few USA made items thrown in there. So overall, a nice little bundle. I don't know too much about Aviation, but I do know that there's a lot of SAE involved in it over the metric side, if I remember correctly. I know quite a few of my viewers have experience in the aviation field. So if you do, please let me know, is this bundle lined up well for an aviation technician? I mean, obviously you probably have a lot more tools as you gain experience and do more jobs. But if somebody getting into the aviation field, would this be a decent starter bundle? Then next up, we'll do the auto technician core bundle, and then we'll get into the heavy duty and we'll wrap it up. So with this one is $1,500 down to $1,341 due to 4 items out of stock. You're going to get metric and SAE wrenches. You got that 3-piece 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive socket sets at $445. It was $410. Obviously prices have went up, unfortunately, but still you get a very good variety of SAE and metric in all 3 drive sizes, adapters, reducers, a long Torx bit socket set, a long flex head ratchet, breaker bar. Here you're getting a 3/8 drive impact socket set, so I am glad. I know the first time I did a video on their bundle set, they did not include any impact sockets, and I think that is key to some of these bundle sets, especially for mechanics. You're going to want to include some impact sockets. So here they've included the 3/8 drive deep 6-point socket set, 37-piece set, your wrench set, SAE and metric, all the same, miscellaneous ball Allens and screwdriver set, and a multi-bit screwdriver, and pliers, pry bars, your hammers. You got your brass hammer here, it's the same one I have. Very, very pleased with that hammer. You got a mini sledge, and the items that are out of stock are going to be the Torx bit socket set, it's a 12-piece set, the spark plug sockets, locking pliers, and the punch and chisel set. But just on this set alone, if you purchased it, you would get $134 in rewards. So pretty good deal there, and a pretty complete set, even with those items missing. And then the big boy here at $2,600. Now I do have to keep in mind that is quite a bit of money, but also getting into heavy duty diesel work, things definitely get more expensive, especially because in heavy duty diesel, I don't do any of that, but I do know that they use much larger, 3/4 inch stuff and stuff like that as well. And so I can definitely see as to why this is more expensive. The heavy duty diesel field is just a more expensive field to work in. Here they have 5 items out of stock. It is originally $2,600 and $2,651 down to $2,196. So let's go ahead and take a look. You got that same 3-piece 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive bundle set, same ball Allen or long Torx bit socket set, 1/2 inch drive Torx bit, additional ratchets in all 3 drive sizes, flex heads, 1/2 inch drive, breaker bar, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. See, I think this should be included in the mechanics bundle set, not just the diesel one. I can definitely see, I know on the heavy equipment stuff, you're definitely going to be using a lot of angle head wrenches. You also get your standard combination wrench set here, crow's feet, nice little full set there. I would have liked to see probably the impact socket sets, more of those included in the normal mechanics set, and then maybe some of their 3/4 inch drive stuff included in this heavy duty diesel stuff. But overall, I mean, not saying that a normal mechanic or technician couldn't just buy the heavy diesel technician, because I mean, I guarantee you, just as a standard technician, you're going to use all of this. I just figured with the heavy duty diesel or the heavy diesel technician bundle set, you would see some 3/4 stuff thrown in here. But altogether, all of them are very well built sets. I think there are definitely things that could be added or kind of swapped out. But once again, they're just bundle sets, and at least they're doing these. It is a nice touch. You can easily select this and then select other items that you want. But let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Sorry this video ran kind of long, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. I will have the Tekton website and many other tools that I suggest linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.